It's essential that people are able to easily find information about what patents exist and how they can make the most of the UK's best ideas. The new UK Patent Search is now available. It makes finding information about UK patents much easier. From late 2025, you'll also be able to search for trademarks and designs in one place. Let's take a look at how it works. In the new search, you'll have the option to search for patents or supplementary protection certificates. You'll be given lots of options for how you search, including the application or publication number, party information, keywords, classification, date of grant or registration, patent status, and patent type, such as green channel. The options are slightly different if you select an SPC, but it works in the same way. So let's do a keyword search. I'm going to search for car. When I select search, the results appear. At the top of the page, I can see how many results there are and sort them by newest or oldest. You will also have the option to download your results as a CSV file. On the left, you can amend your search criteria. Details of a patent. To see the full details of a patent, click on the patent number. At the top of the case details, you'll see the patent number, title, owner, filing date, and status. You'll also see the option to download the results as a PDF. The rest of the information about the patent is displayed under these tabs. The Patent Details tab contains basic information about the patent, including the full abstract, key dates, priority claims, and the WIPO application details and party information details. Under the Documents tab, you'll see all the documents that are open to public inspection. You can download all these documents together or a single document. Under the History tab, you'll see all events related to the application, such as the date it was added to the register. Under the Examination tab, you'll see patent citations, non-patent citations, classifications, and field of search. If there's an SPC related to this application, the SPC tab will be displayed. Here, you'll have any SPCs related to this application. Data visualization. The new service will allow you to see your search results in graphs or charts. Once you've entered your search criteria, you will have the option to view results as charts. When you click that option, you'll be able to see a chart of the number of filings from your search and the applicants with the highest number of filings. We're not stopping at search though. We're also launching a new patents journal. By default, the journal shows you patents or SPCs that were published in the last week. But now you can build your own journal by choosing the keywords, date ranges, and types of patents you're interested in. The new journal gives you more powerful tools to build your own journal and provides a link to the full details of the patents you're interested in.